evening. Welcome to Wildlife News, bringing you news from near and far. I'm Grizzly Adams.
And I'm Amanda Panda. Here's tonight's news stories. The Coca-Cola bear was arrested for DUI the other day. He's now being referred to the Rum and Cola bear, as this is his 5th DUI this year, after being fired from losing his job when he ate an executive from Penguin Publishing.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but the Bernstein Bears were evicted from their home for failing to pay their mortgages. They complained about the rising prices from gentrification as polar bears have been moving into the neighborhood, forcing all the black and brown bears out.
Petal Bear was apprehended at a Chuck E. Cheese parking lot today for soliciting barely legal cubs. Speaking of cubs, a baseball game between the Cubs and the Bad News Bears ended in controversy when one of the managers disagreed with a call and was mauled by an umpire.
Smokey the Bear was in court yesterday for arson. He's believed to have started the California wildfires after being fired from his post for hibernating on the job. He's being replaced by Woodsy the Owl, who came under controversy from being caught on camera shouting at a waiter, "I don't give a hoot, do you know who I am?"
Yogi Bear was sentenced to 3 months in jail today, along with his accomplice, Boo Boo. They were caught stealing picnic baskets. Their free-range lifestyle and crime spree is now over. Yogi is now in a cell with his new Boo Boo, who likes to snuggle.
Speaking of Yogi, Ranger Smith came under scrutiny lately for his unusually high arrest of black and brown bears, sparking protests from Black Bears Matter. When asked to comment, he had this to say: oh shit, there's a bear in here! Help! Ah!
Peter Rabbit was found murdered along the bunny trail. Police are investigating the scene now, but encourage the public to not hop to conclusions.
The rising amount of school shootings lately has forced Congress to meet today to decide a decision on our Second Amendment right to bear arms, because it should be a crime to have guns like these.
A new dating app called Honeypot was released today, so you can find your sugar bear to hibernate with all winter.
Minimalist culture has been sweeping across the forest this year. Rising honey and den prices have caused the younger cubs to get by with just the bare necessities.
Russia has been accused of hacking into our vehicles, and crime has skyrocketed a lot lately. We encourage you to keep food out of your vehicles and to keep an eye out for red pandas.
The music festival Pandemonium is this weekend. Some of the musical acts include the Bare Naked Ladies, System of a Brown, Bipolar, with a special appearance from Cyndi Lauper.
A new honey-flavored beer is now available from Red Bear Brewing. It's available in 6-packs and growlers.
Here's a word from our sponsor today. This newscast is brought to you by Haribo Gummy Bears. Oh God, why did I eat the whole bag? I hate myself. Haribo Gummy
Bears. Las Vegas has announced a new fighting promotion that is going to open this fall. The events will feature fighters from all over the forest, competing in bare knuckle boxing.
The amount of bears not reaching out for mental health services is becoming a pandemic. If you or a loved one suffer from bipolar disorder or depression that leaves you barely able to function, call Dr. Grell to set up a therapy session at 1-800.
Coming up next, my 600-pound honeypot with Winnie the Pooh. Oh, bother!
We're receiving breaking news here. It appears the Keebler house is on fire. Well, that's the news.